Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce you a new product named Archaeajeeb, which is produced from Marcus Unani Medical College and Hospital. If you are looking at the importance of Archaeajeeb is very effective and useful as it first aid in all kinds of pain, sores and swellings. It gives immediate relief in digestion, dysentery and stomach upset, and it soothes application in insect bites and headaches. Useful in early stages of children to check vomiting and puring and to stimulate the digestive system. If you are looking at the dosage of this one, for headache, rub it on the forehead. For joint pain, apply with the cotton on the effective part and rub gently till absorbed. For toothache, apply with the cotton on the effective part. For earache, instill 1 drops of mixed with 4 drops of mustard oil in the ear. For atonic dysphagia, 3 drops of given Archaeajeeb by Arc-Biden and Arc-Ajwain and Arc-Podina or water. For diarrhea, indigestion, flatulence, stomachache, etc. 3 drops of Arc-Biden, Arc-Elanchi, Arc-Podina or water. For nausea and vomiting, take 2 drops with 20 ml with water. For common cold and blocked nose, rub on the tip of the nose. And if you are looking at the price of this one, you can see it cost 50 rupees. And if you want this product, please do comment below my video. If you like my video, please share with your friends. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe. That's all. Have a nice day. Thank you.